Ribbon by, yes. Pass to Aman, pinuputang na galing. Kama, to left. Left, side step. Ribbon by, ribbon by, ribbon by. Ay, mag-drive. Wala, ribbon by. Mag-drive again. Pass to.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Wala, sumama.
5 seconds.
5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Chakri Kama.
Kapatid ni Chakno.
73. Dumidiscarte. 20 seconds to shoot. Wow! 2 points by number 73 pala.
9 minutes and 10.
9 minutes and 10.
20 seconds shot.
Taking 3. Wala ka na to pa. Wow!
Naglalaro na
Out of bounds. Same ball.
Ulto yata, ulto yata.
Ult.
Nakashoot yung number 7.
33. Wala. Ribbon by Chakri again. Side step. 2 points by Chakri Kama. 4-2.
10:35.
Ha?
8 minutes and 30 seconds. Taking 3. Wala. 2 points by Color Black. Come on. Pass to left. All four. Pass to left again. Dumidiscarte. Pass sa mag-die. Taking 3 points. Wala. Ribbon by Chakri Kama. 2 points by Chakri Kama. 6-4. The birthday at ang galing mo ni Icon, number 15. 2 points. Oh, intercepted by 73. Good ball. 7 minutes 50.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. 2 balls. All 6. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Change favor. 8-6. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Good ball. Wow! The block by 8-6. 2-point lead by. Oh, yeah. 2-point lead by KC.
14 seconds shot.
14 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 5, 10, 3. Good ball. 8-6 pa rin po mga master. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Not out there. Good po yan, good. Shot of violation for the Bukulan. 2 points. Delta, 8. Tupones by Jeto Tumazahul. Tupones by Jeto. Then is intercepted by Ibanodan. Paso Chakri Kama. Chakri Kama. Diniretso na. 2 points by Chakri Kama. 12-8. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Last shot before change. Last possession before change. 10 shoot. Taking the lead. Wala, rebound by Chuck Ligama. Pass ulit. Intercepted by number 13. Taking the lead. Wala, rebound by Chuck Ligama again. Good, good. Out of bounds. Change court. 28.
Well, makayapan. Ayun na. Favor of Team E, Ivan Magdal.
In favor of Team Ivan Magdal. Sponsored by Chuck Ligama.
Sponsored by
Sponsored by Mexico. Kahit walang ilaw. Pass to Tumanot. Pass to Magdal. Magdal, pass to Lex Oli. Taking 3 for Chuck Ligama. Bang! 3 points by Chuck Ligama. 15-8. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Bang! 3 points by number 15. 11-15. 4-point lead. Rebound by number 15 again. Pass to number 11. Rebound by. 13. Taking the lead. Wala, rebound by. 2 points. 15-13. 2-point lead by Team Chucky. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking the lead, Tumanot. 9 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 11. 2 points by number 17. On 15. 3 minutes exacto.
Isa lang ang buhay, mangungisip.
Yan. Laro lang.
All 15. Chuck Ligama, taking 3. Rebound by. Oh, anong tawag? Foul. First team foul. All 15.
2 minutes and back.
Gawin mo.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Tama yan, 15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Second team foul.
Second game.
Naghihintay na kaubad eh.
2 minutes and 5.
Kala ko magkapatid yung Melen na nakaubad tsaka na kulay orange na 78.
10 seconds to shoot. Good ball, good. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot.
Siniko eh. Ito yung siniko.
1 minute.
Intercepted by Chuck Ligama.
Sarap na, pinapwitan pre.
Foul.
First team foul.
First team foul.
15 seconds.
Ito mo.
Foul. Second team foul.
Negative foul. 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot.
Kaliwa.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Tumapit si Idol. 13 foul.
Aray mo!
Asa na yung night yata?
Diba?
Wala, gigas kayo?
Foul ulit. Foul. Penalty na. 14 foul. 14 foul.
17 na foul.
Ano man yung oras?
Good.
Naka-change pala.
Salamat, Roy.
50 seconds to shoot. 3 points.
Hindi ito na nababantay ng 73 si Nico.
18-15, 3-point lead by Team Chucky. 25 seconds to shoot. Taking 3 again. Rebound by Chucky. 29 seconds. 23 seconds remaining. Taking 3. Rebound by. Ano ba?
Shot lang ko.
Good.
Ay, sirak sa ano.
Opo. Utang na yung tira ng kapating.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Utang na yung tira si Chucky.
Hindi stilan yung kakampi.